ladies and Habibis. Today I'm going to introduce you to the best AI voice cloning tool available right now. I'm also going to show you how to use this tool for free forever. And Habibis, let me tell you a secret. It's actually much better than 11 Labs and other paid tools. Alright, Habibis, let me show you some examples so you can get a feel for the voice cloning quality of this tool.
Use every tool that I have to entertain the audience. So even as a little kid, like I used to steal lumber from a junkyard or, and then hey everyone, today I'm testing one of the most realistic AI voice cloning tools on the internet. What do you think, how realistic is the cloning quality of this AI voice?
इस पहाड़ में छुपा है एक $100 करोड़ का न्यूक्लियर बंकर। हम अभी नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं इंटरनेट के सबसे बेहतरीन और असली जैसी आवाज बनाने वाले AI वॉइस क्लोनिंग टूल का परीक्षण कर रहा हूं। आपको क्या लगता है इस AI द्वारा बनाई गई आवाज कितनी वास्तविक लग रही है?
Okay, so I am making a story. Okay, it's a survival story. So I will tell you sentences one by one, and I will also tell you the situation and the expression you have to. Hey guys, this is Azeem from AI Xenzia, and today I'm testing an AI voice clone of myself. Tell me, does it actually sound like my real voice? If yes, give this video a thumbs up.
So far, we have only tested voice cloning in 2 languages, and you already saw how impressive those results were. But the coolest part is that with this tool, you can actually clone your voice in 646 languages. Yes, you heard that right, 646 languages. And the tool is called OmniVoice, and I will drop the link for you right in the description. Inside this tool, you can load a model, clone your voice, design a completely custom voice, and even use a pre-made voice, and all of this is available completely free. Now, before you run this model, there is one small but important thing you need to do first. Click on this small drop-down menu, then click on Change Runtime Type. By default, it will be set to CPU, and you need to change that to T4 GPU. Once you do that, Google Colab will give you a free virtual DPU, which will allow you to run this model with much better speed and performance. All right, Habibis, once you have selected the GPU, just hit save, and you are good to go. After that, go ahead and click on Run All, and then click on Run Anyway. And just like that, all the files and models will start downloading and loading automatically. Now, depending on your internet speed, this might take around 1 to 2 minutes. So just be a little patient here. And as you can see right here on the screen, all the files are downloading right now. And hey, if for any reason you have trouble accessing the model from the description link, no worries at all. Just open Google and search OmniVoice and simply click on the first link that shows up, and it will bring you straight to this OmniVoice page. It's really that simple, no complications at all. All right, Habibis, our model has finished downloading and is now fully up and running. Now, to actually start using it, just scroll down a little bit, and right here you will see a link, and at the very end of that link, you will notice it says Gradio.live. Just click on that, and voila, the OmniVoice cloning model has opened up in a new tab. Now, if you scroll down a little, you will find some settings, and you can go ahead and experiment with them to get your desired output. But from my personal experience, it actually works best on the default settings, so I would recommend keeping them as they are. Now, if you want to clone a voice, simply upload your sample voice and make sure it is at least 5 seconds long and completely free of any background noise or music, because that really makes a big difference in the quality. For example, I have gone ahead and uploaded this voice
A slightly husky and bassy voice with a standard American accent. Modulated, controlled, and direct and perfect for audiobooks, captivating narrations, or storytelling, or other professional voiceover work.
Once you have uploaded your reference voice, simply paste your script into this text box and then hit generate. And just like that, it will start generating your entire script in that reference voice. And as you can see right here, our script is fully ready in the reference voice. So let's go ahead and play it and see just how accurately it matches the original reference voice.
All right, Habibis, now you've seen how simple and fast voice cloning can be. OmniVoice can intelligently copy the tone, accent, style, and natural voice flow with impressive accuracy. This tool is seriously powerful.
And if after using it for 2 to 3 hours, it shows you a session expired message, do not panic at all. It is completely normal. Just come back to this first link, open up the Run All drop-down, and from there, simply click on Restart Session and Run All. Wait for just a little while, and then click on the Gradio.live link one more time. And just like that, your OmniVoice model will be back up and running in a new tab, fresh and ready to go. That's how you can use OmniVoice for free and unlimited. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, Habibis. See you in the next video.